Hi Pallavi, Sangamitra.
Hi Anil, good morning.
Yeah, good
Hi,
morning.
Anil.
Pallavi.
Good morning.
Hi Sangamitra.
Good morning.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Today we will discuss this reference lines. Okay. See, what is meant by reference line here? For example, if we have a report, in that report, our user wants to see where is the average line or median line or maximum line or minimum average lines. By seeing the report, you should see the reference lines. What is the average reference line of this report? Like this. This is called a reference line. I'll show you how we create this reference lines. I have market. Otherwise, I'll go with the order date and I'll show it in here. I don't have null here. Filter. Check null. And I'm showing here category with my sales data. See, I got one report right here, the bar chart. Sorry, instead of category, I will show see. I have one bar chart right now. Based on year, region, I'm able to see sales values. Correct? Otherwise, now you can see this. Only region I'm having sales. And you are able to see the sales values for each and every region in a bar chart. Now, what is the reference line? For this report, I want to see average line. Means which regions are hitting the average lines, which regions are not hitting the average lines. You got my requirement?
Yes.
So I want to see here what is the average line for this report. So which regions are hitting that average lines? Average line. So we can't predict it, right? Now, what is the average here? We can't predict this. So we have an option called reference lines. So to show the reference line, we have an axis is the right sales axis. Right click on. See, here we have add reference line. Select this. See, here we have line, band, distribution, and box plot. Entire table, per pane, and per cell. Now we'll go with entire table. What I want to show, this is based on sum of sales, so it will be in sum of sales. Here I can select sum, minimum, maximum, average. Now I need average line here. So select this average line. See, we got the average line here, right? And now you can see here, select this line only, line and confidential interval. Don't go for it. Go with line only. And what is this label? This label contains, see, none, value, computation, and custom. If you select none, you won't see here average. See, nothing is there, right? You are able to see my mouse.
Yes.
See here nothing is there. If I select value is there, right? 972500. This is the average value. Okay. If you select computation, it will show that here what we selected average, that average it will show.
That
Okay.
is for total average or for each individual country?
It's total average.
Okay.
And if you select custom, see, again I got another new box I got here, right? See, basically, if I show value, okay, we are getting 972500. What is this value? Is it average value or is it? We don't know, right?
Yes.
See, we created a report. We know that this is the average, but others, those who are seeing this report, what is this line and what is this? Is this an average or is this a median value? You don't know, right? Just we are showing here value. If we show here computation, it will show average, but it won't show the value, right?
Yes.
So that's why what we will do means we'll go for custom. Select custom and we can select here first computation, then I will get average there, colon and space. Again I will select here value and okay. See now I am getting average with value, right? So they can easily understand, okay, this reference line belongs to average. And right click, edit reference. If you want to see what we have selected, means go to edit reference line. See, we have selected line, entire table, average, in label custom. Here we are using computation and value, line only. And this, how the line should be. Line should be, you can show it in a color. Nice color, a nice color here. See, this is my average line. And fill above and fill below. Fill above means this average lines above. Fill below means this. So we can give a light color for fill above and fill below. Okay. See, this is how we can show an average line for the report. Now we can see, okay, this is my average line and only central, north, Oceania and south, these are hitting my average lines, and the remaining all regions, they are not hitting the average lines. Means I need to improve the business rate. At least these regions is not hitting the average line. Okay. Like this, he can, by seeing this report, he can analyze the report, right? You can format this average. Right click, format, and font will be in some nice color, bold, stick black. See now? Any doubts here regarding this average line? Following some.
I want to see the average for each and every country. Like I want to display for each and every country. Then how?
Okay. Okay. You want line?
No, actually you are displaying total, right? Total average. So like that
Yeah.
for each and every country I have to show average. I wanted to display, I wanted to show that.
Means you don't want this average line.
No, she is telling average per pen. Like suppose Africa, all the country under Africa.
See here Africa 78773 is there, but you want to see average value here, right?
Yes.
No.
No, not like that. For each country we can see, we can display like this average. You are showing
Like,
total, right? So for each country I want to see average like that.
That's what I'm saying. You want this reference line or not?
Reference line, no. If it's there also no issues. But if it's there means we can show like, okay, without reference line we can show her.
Yeah, we can, without reference line we can show. In reference line we cannot show each and individual line. We can show, but it's not a good view, right?
Yeah, understood.
I'll tell you that. It's nothing. Go here and select average. You will get each and every bar. You will get average.
Okay.
Okay. It's very simple.
Anil, after getting the reference line, so is there a way can we give the option to filter only the like the region which is touching the average, just to show that to
Sorry?
on top of this chart, can we set up a filter which will like to select only which will have the option to select
See,
only the country which is touching the average?
yeah, we can select, and by using parameters, we can show this as a moving average. Whatever I am selecting, the average line also will move. That I will tell you in coming topics.
Okay.
First,
Okay.
I am telling what is an average reference line. Filters, in parameters, I will tell you what is the moving average. I will tell you all. Okay, Sangatha?
Yes, yes.
First, let's go with basic things. Then I will tell you in detail. So, I understood this.
Yes.
Yeah, this is what you asked, right? Without average line. You want here for each and everyone, you want here average value, right?
Yes.
So go to this, measure sum, you want select average. So you are seeing here, right? If I'm hovering here, your average for this is 170.9.
Yeah, but I want to display.
Yeah, I'll display it. No problem. You got it, right?
Yes.
This is what you want, right?
Huh.
Yeah. Okay. It's very simple. See. Now it is in sum of sales. Go there. This is called aggregations. Select average. Now you got average, but the sum of sales is in text label. That's why it is showing me label. And if I hover, I am getting your average value 170.9, 174.3. So remove this sales from text, and by using control button, drag this average and drop it in label. Now you will be getting average value.
At a time we can see like sum and average both labels.
So if I drag this sum here, sales, see?
Okay.
Got it?
Got it.
Yeah. I'm deleting this sheet.
But the axis is showing as per the average, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So it will show based on the average.
Yeah.
Why? Because the main thing here we are selecting here average, right? That's right. This is the main field. In rows, it is showing average sales. So it will show only the, see, you can see here average sales. It won't show the sum of sales. See, I'm duplicating this sheet again. Go here. Now, what is this line band distribution box for? Now we discussed about entire table. What is this per pane? I'm selecting per pane here. Now it is an entire table, right? I'm selecting here per pane. Selected this. Click OK. Is there anything changed in my report?
No.
The previous one? The same, right? See, this is with entire table. This is with per pane. So, there's no change, right? It is acting as like a table, entire table, right? See, now it is in per pane. But previously, see, now I'm selecting entire table. Is there anything changed?
No.
No, right? Why? Because if you are using per pane, you should have another column here. See, now, if I take here and drop it here. Now you can see, right? First time really, I don't want this null. See? Now it is acting like 2012 is one pane, 2013 is one pane, 2014 is one pane, 2015 is one pane. See, like that you can see for each and every pane there will be average reference line. See, I don't want this X to be shown. You can see, right? For 2012, average is 173804. For 2013, average is 205877. So it is acting like a per pane. Per pane is different and entire table is different. See, if I go and select here, edit reference line. If I go and select the entire table, see, this average line acts for entire table. In this entire table, this is my average value.
Yes.
Okay. If we go for per pane means individually it will show. In 2012 is one pane, 2013 is one pane, 2014 is one pane, 2015 is one pane. In this 2012, this is the average value. In this 2013, this is the average value. Got it? The main difference between entire table and per pane?
Yeah.
Yes.
See, per pane.
Can we format here, like the region is like if we can format the name should show like diagonally, then is it a way to do it? Because I remember while working on Crystal, I was able to format the Crystal report so that it can show Africa, Central Asia,
So,
something, whatever.
Here you're not able to see the region names, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right
So
click.
can we do it diagonally?
Yeah. Right click, format. On that day I told you, right, at the time of formatting, alignment, we have this. You can go and show this. Okay, it's not changing.
Vertical you have to select.
Yeah, see?
Okay. Yes. Mm.
You got the names, right?
Yes. Thank you.
So, see, blindly follow that. If you are going with per pane means there should be two columns, at least two columns. Then only it will work. Okay? If I'm not having here, but even though I'm selecting per pane, it acts like a entire table. Why? Because there is no other thing. So, per pane means there should be two columns. Okay?
Yes.
And now, see the remaining thing, everything is same. See, per pane value sum is average. If you want to select minimum means you can select minimum, maximum, whatever you want. Median, average. The same again here, custom. See this, everything is same. Okay? Just we are changing entire table to per pane. Okay? Now, what is per cell? See, sometimes I'll get a requirement right. Subcategory with sales value. And this is my sales value. Now I'm dragging this. See, now if you got, okay. Right click, add reference line, go to per cell and average. You can show the average value, right? Custom, computation, and value. Light color. See, are you getting any? I don't want this. Just I'll show value. Are you getting any value here? Average value? No, right? So it won't work in Percentile. Okay. See, it's not working, right? If I hover here, nothing. Here it is showing 74923. But if I drag sum of sales, see now, it is showing, right? The sum of sales value is 1466572, but the average value is 146. The same thing we are getting, right? So this, it won't work for individual bar. I showed you, right, how to show average value. What Pallavi asked before, and I showed how to show the average value, right?
Yes.
Now, per cell, when we need to use per cell means, I'll tell you, see, remove reference line. For example, I'm showing it based on year wise, okay? And I'm dragging it in a color. I'm getting null, so I'm avoiding this null. I don't want this now. So now, each and every bar is dividing with year, right? These accessories have 4 years. These appliances have 4 years. Based on this year, it is showing the value. 2012 is orange. They have 113456. 2013, 172,398. Like this, we are getting each and for accessories, we have 4 years, right? Sorry. Now my requirement is, see, I am showing this sales value, dropping in level. So for each and every bar, I am getting values. Now, my requirement is, I should see the total value. See, here I am having 4 values, right? If I add these 4, how much I will get? I am getting 1466.572, right? So you can see here, if I select all this bar, I can see here sum of sales is 1466,572. This value should be shown on the top of the bar here. Got it, my requirement?
Yes.
See, for each and every bar, I should get the total, and the total should be displayed here. Sorry. Okay, now, see, right click, add reference line. Now, we should not go for entire table and we should not go for corporate. This is per cell, right? So individual bar per cell. So I should go with per cell. And here, I don't want average, I want total. So select total. Otherwise, you can select some. Any of these you can select. I'm selecting total. Now I'm showing here value. I don't want any reference line for this. So none. I don't want fill above, fill below. Simple thing. I'm selecting per cell, sum of sales, total, value, and OK. Now I'm getting total, but I'm not, see, there is no space, that's why it is not showing right. So right click, format, go to alignment. Now select this up. Now I'm getting right. If I add these 3, let me show you total color. Font will be orange. Red. See, if I add these 4 years, I am getting 749237. You can see here, sum of sales. The same value I am getting here, right? 749237. Like this I can add. But for some of the bars, it is hovering on this, right? There is no space here. That's why it is hovering on this. So in this scenario, what we have to do is right click, edit axis, and go to fixed. Just change the number, increase some number. Here it is up to 1600K, right? So change the number like here 2. And okay. Now you are getting right. Just I increase the axis. Nothing I did here. Okay. That's why I am getting the number here. See, previously it is like this, right? For chairs and for copiers, we are not seeing the total value here. It is hovering on the bar only. Why? Because there is no space here. So what I did means right click, edit axis. I'm changing the axis length. Okay. Now this is up to here. I'm adding instead of 1, I'm using 2 and increasing the axis. So now I got the total, right? I'm able to see total for chairs and I'm able to see the total for copiers. And this is in a left alignment. Make it as a middle. Right click, format, alignment, middle. See, change it right now. It is in the middle now. This is also one type of requirement. They will ask, okay, you are showing for each and every subcategory, you are showing years, but please show me total amount on top of the bar. This will be the requirement. If you get this type of requirements, you can achieve like this. Any doubts here?
No.
No, I'm good.
Okay. Okay. This is about line. Okay. In line, we saw entire table, sub per pen and per set. Right? Now we will go to next one. I'm drawing subcategory again. And I'm showing sales value. Entire view. Now go to add reference line. What is band? Select this band. Now, up now we discussed about line, right? Now go to band. So if you go to band, again some options will be changed here. If you select line here, see only we have line formatting. These two, right? We have line and formatting. If you go and select band, see some new options added. Band from, band to, formatting. What is band from and band to? So if I want to see the report based on minimum to maximum or minimum to median, maximum to median, maximum to average, whatever you want, you can show. Means that minimum to maximum or whatever we are showing, that will be in one color. The remaining else will be in another color. Background, okay? See. First, go with entire table. Same thing again, entire table for 10%. Go with the entire table. Sum of sales. Minimum, I am selecting maximum. Here I am going with custom. See, why I am going with custom means I want to show that maximum and as well as that value. Okay? What we are selecting here, you should know, right, what we selected here. Why? Because I know and you know. Why? Because we are creating this report. So others want to see this report, means they should know, right, what is this reference line? It is a median, it is a maximum, it is an average. You should know, right? So that's why I am selecting custom every time. And computation means if you select computation, it will show maximum and value. Now the same thing, I will select this as an average. So I want to show the report based on maximum and average. The same thing, I'll select computation, custom. Here I will select computation. Now it will display as an average value. Now, formatting, line, yeah, I want line. You want to change the color? Yes, I want to change the color now. See, this is maximum to average bandwidth. Band comes to band 2, right? Are you getting?
Yes.
Yes.
So just very simple. These are reference lines means nothing but by seeing the report you should understand what we are doing. It's nothing complexity in this. Means we are telling him, okay, this is the maximum and this is the average one. These are all the bars hitting band from band maximum to band average. He will tell the requirement. See, I want this, I want subcategory and I want sales. And in this I want to see a band with like maximum to average. Like this finish. Okay. Any doubts, Pallavi? Or
No. Good.
No.
okay. Then the remaining steps is as it is same. Now we selected entire table. Go to per pane. Per pane. Why it's not working? You tell me now. The report not changed, right?
Yeah, we need another dimension.
Yes. So if you are using per pane, go and drag some other field like category. I'm dragging now category. Now see, based on category means this is one pane, furniture is one pane, office supplies is one pane, technology is one pane. So now it is showing, see, for each and every pane it is showing maximum to average, maximum to average, maximum to average. Okay. Here you cannot select per cell. See, if I select per cell, there is no meaning, right? Okay.
We need to put another
if you are using per cell means they have to use in this. If we are having 4 means it will show maximum to minimum. See, I will show you now.
another put it in the color, right?
Color, yeah, absolutely. Then it will work. See, for this it won't work. So up to here you understood, right?
Yes.
Now, if you want to go for per cell means what we have to do, instead of category dragging here, I'm removing this reference line. I'm dragging my category here, color. Sorry.
No.
No, why? Because this is in hierarchy. Now I will drag shift mode and drop it in a color. See, I have 4 different shift modes. First class, same day, second class, and standard class. So each and every subcategory is divided by 4. Now I want in this, I want maximum and average, right? So I click, add reference line, go to band, but here no need of bands and selection, okay?
Okay.
So remove this. In this, we don't go with reference line. Here we'll go with, I told you at the time of formatting, label, go with min and max, only we can show. We cannot show average and this. So min and max, that show me per cell. So it will show what is minimum value, what is maximum value. But we cannot show average and I think, see, if I go to reference line, if I select band, so if I select per cell, it won't show, right, for me, minimum and a maximum. See, am I getting any value here? No, right?
No.
So for per cell, it won't work. Okay? If you want to see show min and max means you can go to label. I told you, right? Min and max, go for cell. Then it will show min and max. Otherwise, for per cell, it won't work here. Okay. Any doubts here? Regarding
No, good.
band? The same. If you are using one thing means for entire table, per pane, per cell, the same thing will follow. See, now I'm selecting what is the distribution. See, for distribution again, my options change. Go for entire table. See, computation means you want to see, now up to now you are seeing minimum to average, something like this, right? Average to median, minimum, like this. Now, if you want to see the percentages, you can see now. See, if you are going with entire table, you want to see 40 to 80% should be in one color. You want to see 40 to 80%. You can see in maximum or minimum. Select this first percentage right here, 40 to 80, and which sum of sales only, right? Which one in 40 to 80 means in maximum I want to say 40 to 80. Again I am dividing this, okay? Or minimum 40 to 80. See, if I select minimum, in this minimum, what is the 40% to 80%? See, but we are not able to see, right? Minimum 40 to 80 is this. And if you are selecting maximum 40 to 80 means, in maximum, again it is distributing like 40 to 80%. See, this is like 40 to, in maximum, this is 40% to 80%. If he asks you like this requirement, which you can use, basically these two we use mostly. These two we won't use, okay? Distribution, 40 to 80%. This we won't use more in our real-time experience, okay? But if we ask, we can do like this. We got it right. In maximum, it is showing 40 to 80. If I am selecting here average, in average, it will show 40 to 80, 80%. It's nothing, just selecting the percentages, that's it.
Yeah, it is normally like depending on the requirement, right? Like
yes.
How the management wants the report.
Yes.
Anil, can't we show at a time minimum, maximum both?
Minimum, maximum, see. Okay, I cannot select it. Only it's a single selection.
Okay.
What is a percentiles means? If I select percentile, 95%. Percentiles will be like this, 80, 90, 95, 99. You know the percentile, right? What is the difference between percentage and percentile?
Yes.
Percentage means numerator by denominator into 100, right?
Mm-hmm.
Percentile means, for example, in a class, the top score of student is like 90 marks means, how they will show the percentiles for the other students means, this 90 will be fixed, right? With this 90 only they will show with the percentiles. They won't show with the 100, right? What is the highest mark? 90. With this 90 only they will take the percentiles for each and other students. You know the difference, right? Percentages and percentile.
Yes.
If I am wrong, you can correct. If I am wrong, you can correct. This is how we will take percentiles, right? They will take the highest student mark and that will be the fixed. From that only they will take the percentiles for all the students. Am I right?
The thing is like if somebody is getting 95 percentile means
okay.
That means 5% 5% people is ahead of that person.
Sorry, I didn't get it.
Okay, percentile means okay, I'm suppose in a class test I got the mark as a percentile of 95.
Yeah.
Okay, that means 5% other student, 5% of students also got above 95%. Did you get?
Okay.
That is the percentile.
Okay.
That is a comparison.
Okay.
Percentile comes as a comparison, while percentage is not the comparison with
Yeah,
other.
percentage is numerator
Straightforward.
into 100.
Yes.
But
Yes.
percentage is with the fixed value will be there. One highest value will be there. With that highest value only they will take the percentage.
Yeah.
I didn't use much this. That's why I'm not able to tell you properly. Up to now I didn't use this percentage. Sometimes I didn't get any chance to work on this. But you select this, if you want to show it in 90% or 80, directly you can select this. Okay, like this it will show 95%. Okay. Any doubts here?
No.
And these haven't used. What is this quantiles? But automatically it will show upper quantile, lower quantile, median quantile. See, this is like here I am using quantiles. It's showing like upper quantile, median quantile, and lower quantile. If I want to show it in a 4 means, see, 5. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there, right? For me. Fourth quantile, third quantile, second quantile, first quantile. And remaining is no. But I don't know why they will use this. No, I didn't create this. That's why I'm not able to explain it properly. Okay. But you won't get this reference. See, in this reference line, these two are main important things. Line band. This distribution, all this, okay. This is up to here it is okay. Percentage. Percentiles, quantile, standard deviation. It's like a formula, standard deviation. By default, in backend, we'll take the formulas and it will show. See, standard deviation minus 1 to 1. Something it is showing. See. This I am not sure. Okay.
How about that box plot that Whisker and box?
But box plot also we won't understand that people can understand this box plot properly. See, subcategory. And I'm showing the sales value. Select this box plot. See, here we are getting a nice box plot with subcategory and region. See here again, by default it is taking upper whisker, upper hinge, median, lower hinge, lower. These all they will understand their business. We can't understand this. This is by default it is taking in backend it is taking this upper whisker, high upper hinge, median. This we don't understand really. But these are all the circles, or we can understand the circles. This is subcategory sales value. This is subcategory sales value. These circles. But this shaded part is there, right? Upper whisker, upper hinge. This is by default. Okay. For drag region, see, these are all the box plot. This we can show, but we cannot tell this what is this upper whisker. But see, we didn't create any upper whisker, upper hinge, nothing, right? I selected a box part, but automatically this shaded part will come. This they will understand. We can't understand this. Okay. But you can see, based on region, he was showing one box plot in Africa, and again subcategories. These are all the subcategories in Africa. In Canada, these are all the subcategories. In Central, these are all the subcategories. Circles is there, right?
Mhm.
And this shaded is nothing but this upper whisker, upper hinge, median. This is, I think, median. This is median, this line. And this is a lower one. This is the upper one. It's like a reference
So it
value,
is,
reference line.
yeah, it is
It's like a
dividing
reference line.
into,
2.
yeah, it is
One is upper one.
dividing into 5 different things. One is the median, one.
Yeah, this is the main thing, middle.
Mhm.
And these are all the upper ones and these are all the lower ones. Okay?
Mhm.
Okay. See, this is a reference lines. Any doubts in reference lines apart from this upper row hinge?
No.
Any doubts, Pallavi, regarding this?
No. No.
Okay, these are all in our real-time experience. We use reference lines like this. Okay. Okay then. By today, I'll stop this session. This topic is done. Reference lines is done. Tomorrow, we'll go with set.
Okay.
Okay. Please practice this. See, by saying this, it will be very easy. Once you go and practice this, it will be very difficult. So, there is a chance to forget, right? It's very simple. It's very just drag and drop, but there is a chance to forget this.
So Anil, while you highlight one bar, how do you do it? With control?
Sorry, Sangeet.
If we'll go to a bar chart, go to a bar chart. Today we have done the reference line bar chart.
Yeah, bar chart.
Yes. If you want to highlight one bar, then how do you do it? Just control and
Highlight bar means only one bar like this.
yeah, yes.
Yeah, just select on that bar. And otherwise we have legends, right?
Okay.
Where is this legend?
I think if you right click there, no, on the bar itself, people right click.
And, what is my sales? Yeah, we haven't used it color, that's why we are not getting legend. I'll use color. Subcategory. Color. Now I am getting legend right here.
Mm-hmm.
If I want to highlight the particular bar, means, see, in legend I have highlight selected items.
Mm-hmm.
If I am selecting accessories, see, it's highlighted. If I am selecting appliances, it's highlighted. This I'll tell you at the dashboard.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Windows.
Yeah, so in we have important things to know: the filter parameters, different use cases of parameters, and the LOD, right?
Yes. Some coming topics. Still there are so many topics, right?
Mm-hmm.
See, there are very, very important topics. But before that, you should know these topics, like what is the set, what is the table calculations. Then we go to different types of filters, different types of charts, which I'll tell you. See, by default, Tableau have only these many charts. But I'll tell you, apart from this, there are so many other charts also is there. We can do that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And go to dual axis. Very, very, very important topic. Dual axis. With dual axis, we can change the view itself. Very, very important. Dual axis. Now calculator builds parameter. Yeah, tell me.
Can you please tell me in like just to get the idea of what is that level of details? Because I have one interview day after tomorrow. tomorrow, so just to I'll
Okay,
read
then.
that from
Tomorrow
just
I'll
to
tell
know.
you directly level of details. Instead of set, I will tell you level of details.
But no, I don't want to skip the other things if that depends
No,
on.
no, no. Tomorrow instead of set, I will tell you level of details. After that, I will tell you set.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. But the level of details doesn't depend on the other topics, right?
So it won't depend on other topic. This is a separate topic.
Okay. Okay. Then that will be great.
It won't depend on other topics. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Because
But
other things by going through the YouTube and all.
Why
I cannot.
I'm not telling this first? Why? Because we need to use it in a calculated field. This level of detail. That's why.
Mm-hmm.
You know the calculated field, right? Yesterday I showed you one calculated field.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. I'll tell you. Tomorrow I'll tell you then this level of details.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, Pallavi and Sanghamitra. We'll meet tomorrow, same time.
Sure.
Okay, bye.